Before applying any roof coating system, it's essential to confirm whether the product will bond properly to the existing surface. That's where an adhesion test comes in. This simple but crucial step can save property owners thousands of dollars in coating failures, premature peeling, and costly repairs. For roofs in climates like Los Angeles, CA, where weather extremes test the limits of every surface material, ensuring good adhesion isn't just helpful, it's non-negotiable. This guide walks you through how to perform an adhesion test correctly, what materials you'll need, and how to interpret your results. Why adhesion testing is so important. Avoiding costly failures. One of the biggest risks in roof coating projects is assuming that any product will stick to any surface. In reality, variables such as dirt, oils, oxidation, moisture, or previous coatings can interfere with adhesion. Without a proper test, a coating may begin to delaminate within months, leading to leaks, reduced energy efficiency, and expensive recoating jobs. Matching. Coating type to substrate. Not all coatings are created equal, and neither are substrates. Silicone, urethane, acrylic, and butyl coatings each have their own adhesion profiles. Testing ensures you're using the right product for your roof type, whether it's metal, EPDM, TPO, or asphalt-based. Materials needed for an adhesion test. To get started, you'll need the roof coating you're planning to use, a small roller or brush, clean rags and cleaning solution, utility knife or razor blade, adhesion test patches or polyester fabric, tape measure or ruler, and a pull-off adhesion tester, optional for advanced testing. Step-by-step adhesion. Test process. Step 1. Clean the test area. Select multiple test spots across the roof, ideally different materials or areas exposed to different conditions, sun, shade, ponding, and clean the area thoroughly to remove any dirt, grease, or loose materials. If necessary, lightly abrade the surface for better contact. Step 2. Apply the coating use. A small brush or roller to apply a square patch of coating approximately 6x6. If using fabric reinforcement, embed it in the wet coating to simulate a full application and allow the patch to cure fully based on the manufacturer's recommendation, typically 24 to 48 hours. Step 3. Perform the cut test. Once cured, use a razor to cut a grid pattern into the coating, usually 1 squares. Using a utility knife to make perpendicular cuts through the coating down to the substrate, then try to peel up one corner of the grid with the knife. If the coating lifts easily, adhesion has failed. Step 4. Assess the results. Evaluate whether the coating sticks firmly to the substrate. A good result is when the coating stays intact and significant force is required to peel it up. If it delaminates with minimal effort or peels in sheets, you'll need to consider a primer or surface prep treatment before full application. Tips for reliable results. Always test multiple locations across the roof. Don't rely on visual inspection alone. Physical force is key. Document your process and results for warranty purposes. Repeat the test if weather or surface conditions change before the actual coating job. Professional help makes the difference. While adhesion testing can be done in-house, the most reliable results come from experienced professionals. Coating manufacturers may have specific test procedures or requirements to maintain warranty eligibility. Companies like Roof Coating Los Angeles bring not only the right materials, but also the know-how to interpret test results accurately. Professional roofers understand substrate chemistry, manufacturer guidelines, and environmental factors unique to Los Angeles, CA, ensuring proper adhesion and peak coating performance after application. Choosing the right coating after testing. If your adhesion test fails, that doesn't mean you need to replace the roof. Often, the solution is as simple as switching to a compatible primer or selecting a different coating product. For example, urethane coatings often need more surface prep than silicone, but they tend to bond better with textured or porous surfaces. In other cases, coatings like butyl may offer superior elasticity or chemical resistance, but require different handling during prep and application. The adhesion test helps guide that decision. so you can choose the best product based on evidence, not guesswork. Conclusion. An adhesion test is one of the most vital parts of any roof coating job. It ensures that your chosen coating system will perform as expected, and that your investment in restoration or protection won't be wasted. For commercial and residential properties in Los Angeles, where environmental stressors are high, skipping this step is simply not worth the risk. Before you move forward with any coating application, perform an adhesion test, or better yet, have a certified contractor do it for you. Your roof's performance, durability, and lifespan all depend on it. Read also our blog, Urethane versus Silicone Roof Coatings, Adhesion Test Results. The Post, Step-by-Step Guide to Performing a Roof Coating Adhesion Test, first appeared on Roof Coating Los Angeles.